Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another OLSP update. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my current earnings since I started building my commissions in, I think, January, or no, sorry, it was December. And I've basically been saving up for to upgrade to Team Builder. But I also have been doing this little series lately where at the end of the month I do an OLSP update and tell you guys whether or not I got the sales contest. And if you remember in the last video that I did about OLSP, I basically said, can I do it for a third month in a row and go into a third month in a row of the affiliate contest win? And I will get to that in a few minutes. First, if you are interested in any of the things that I talk about, you can check them out in my description. There are links of highly recommended programs there that bring in an income for me every month. Things that I use along with OLSP to bring in an income. So first of all, what is OLSP? OLSP system is basically a system that is geared to beginners. I highly recommend this. I'd recommend it to my neighbor, to my friend, to my family. The OLSP system is a very good system, especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. You never have, you've never ever made money online. It does offer you a great ecosystem. Now, I've been using OLSP now for a year. I have been, I kind of been just kind of going with the flow. I haven't really been, I guess, working on it as hard as I should have been, but I was making still some money with OLSP, but lately I've just started basically putting the throttle down and just going as hard as I could on OLSP. So basically, again, any of the things that I show you in this, I am not using any of my earnings or anything like that to brag. I am simply just showing you what is possible. And these things are possible with the OLSP system. They are possible for anyone, provided that you put in the work. And if you are looking for something online that does not require you to put in any work, I'm sorry, but you're sadly mistaken. You'll never, ever, ever make money online without putting in some kind of work. And most of the work that's needed is just going out and finding traffic and selling things, like through affiliate marketing, or you can do e-commerce and things like that, but it still requires you to go out and find the traffic. That's what's great about the OLSP system, is it teaches you about traffic. You can get paid traffic from Wayne himself, or you can use free traffic methods, which I use a little bit of both. And one of the big things I'm going to be doing, hopefully at the end of this month, because I'm going to have enough finally, is my upgrade to Team Builder with the OLSP system. I'm going to be doing that live so you guys can see me do it. And the only reason why I'm doing it is because I really trust the OLSP system. I've been using it for a year, and I'm going to also be doing another upgrade within the OLSP system, which will, both of these things, Team Builder and the Magic Link, will actually increase my income streams within OLSP. And I will have more income streams open and things like that. So I'm really excited for that. I've saved up enough commissions inside of OLSP and other things that I'm also making an income from. But without further ado, let's get into whether or not I won last month's contest. Now, I had already started recording this video, and I ended up kind of screwing up and hitting the wrong button, and ended up stopping my video instead of pausing it. And it basically, it said, oh great, your video's been saved. And I'm sitting there going, yeah, I just meant to, basically I just meant to pause it. So, I will get to the contest win in a minute, or loss. We'll find out. But another thing I meant to mention too is the other income stream that I'm upgrading to in here is Magic Link. I know I kind of just bounced back to the income streams, but the Magic Link is an amazing system within OLSP, and the Magic Link actually allows you to earn off of people who opt in and then basically buy whatever's in the Magic Link. Most of the products in the Magic Link are vetted by Wayne himself, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, contest win. Here we go. Did I win in February or not? Let's take a look. Give me one quick second. All right, so here we are in my email. I had to go to another browser. That's why I paused, because it would have taken me a bit. But here we are. You'll see that this was sent on February 28th at 8 p.m. The reason why is because I'm in Eastern time, and I believe Wayne is in the UK, so his time would have already been midnight, and he sent the email out. So basically, the win happened on the 28th at 8 p.m. And you can see that. Hi, big news! You've won the monthly contest inside the OLSP system. Position number 9, prize $150. Winners are just consistent doers who don't quit, or who didn't quit. Sorry. So there you have it, guys. That is my triple back-to-back win in the last 3 months. Basically, 3 months in a row of winning the monthly contest with OLSP. I did show, I think in the last video, I showed my contest win from January, and then I also showed my contest win in another video in December. So that is pretty cool, and that's all just from following. Just give me a second here. And that's all just from following all the stuff inside of OLSP here, and following the training, following how to get leads, how to convert, well, not really how to convert those leads, because OLSP does that on its own. If you go to Facebook, of course, you will have to try and convert those leads, but you basically just have to make sure you're helping people. You know, you don't want to be a seller, you want to be someone who's a helper first. So, you want to help the people, and then, say, hey, I have this really great, cool thing that's helped me earn money online. And then you just, it's all covered inside of OLSP. But the system does work as long as you put in the work. And you can see that I've already made a sale this month. And I'm sitting at 89th, but of course, the month's not over yet, and I know it's going to be a big month. I'm going to try for a quadruple back-to-back-to-back-to-back contest win. I don't know if that's going to be possible this month, but we'll see. The month is still young. It's only March 2nd. So I'm pretty happy with those things. My commissions don't reflect the contest win yet, because the contest win didn't come in yet. But it's pretty cool. I'm actually very happy at the OLSP system, and I think it's great for beginners. It's great for people who are, they've been an intermediate, maybe in affiliate marketing or whatever. It's great for anyone who just wants some extra income streams and income coming in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.